Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, hope you would be pretty well. My today's lesson on Islamic Arabic calligraphy is about the new writing script called Khate Ranaa. Viewers, I am Hamid Iqbal Khan, a calligrapher and a calligraphy teacher in third generation. My father, Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, famous as Ibn Kalim, was a great calligrapher. Viewers, as you know, the script beauty has importance in Islamic fine arts, culture, and civilization. After 7th century, a new writing script, Khate Ranaa, was invented by my father. In this new traditional writing style, I am writing bismillah in the circular composition. Before these, there were 6 writing styles like Khatar, Nastaliq, Rika, Diwani, Suls, Naskh and Kufi. But now 7th traditional Arabic calligraphy writing style is Khate Ranaa. It looks the combination of modern and traditional writing style and becomes a modern calligraphic style. We can say Khate Ranaa has added new and aesthetic values in the tradition of Islamic calligraphy art. Islamic Arabic calligraphy writing style Khate Ranaa can also be molded into many decorative styles, and design's values can be fully expressed through it. I am writing Bismillahirrahmanirrahim in Khate Ranaa. If anybody wants to learn this Arabic and Islamic calligraphy art through online tutoring, can contact in the comment. I would love to teach this art online too. Viewers, I am sure you have got a new idea to make Islamic Arabic calligraphy paintings by observing this new writing style. I hope you will like today's lesson. Dear students, if you have any question about Islamic Arabic calligraphy like materials, methods and training etc., you are welcome in the comment. Your questions and any inquiries would be replied as soon as possible. If you need any custom calligraphy services, drop a message and tell us any challenge through email or through WhatsApp. You can find these contact details in the end of the video. I request you to spread this noble art in the world and become a source of inspiration among new generation. The Islamic calligraphy is our traditional heritage. To keep this heritage alive, we are responsible to teach this forgotten art to the new generation and enhance their spiritual power and aesthetic sense. Inshallah, now I will meet you in the next video. Till next video, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.